Fulani herdsmen no attack any community. Philip Ogbadu. Edo State Commissioner of Police Philip Ogbadu don tok say the news wey dey social media say Fulani herdsmen go destroy Agbunwere community inside Ovia North-East local government na lie. The command public relations officer wey stand for Commissioner of Police carry security team wey include Police Army, Nigerian Security and Civil Defence Corps, local vigilantes and others to go check the community to see wetin happen. Bello tok say the community dey kampe sake of say nothing happen, no house burn. He con tell people for the community and Edo people say make dem no fear, make dem continue to dey do their work, say everything dey alright.
I have gone round. There is no house that has been burned by Fulani herdsmen. I have gone round. There is no house that is mourning anybody that was killed or is killed by Fulani herdsmen. We've gone round. We've seen some people in the community, some women are still around. So we want to assure the community, the residents of Edo State, both at home and diaspora, that we have seen the report, the security agency, the state government have seen the report online, and have decided to send this high delegation to ensure that the people residing here, both from Delta, both from the north, both from Edo State, are safe. And that is the essence of community. And to also douse the tension that is making people to panic, that people have been ransacked from one village, it will be village A, the next is going to be village B. There is no such thing happening. So people should be calm and go about doing their lawful business, as the delegation from the security agencies and the state government are here to ensure that no breakdown of law in this place.
Odionweye of the community talk say the matter shock am. Say in the year wetin dem post for social media, say dem burn their houses, thief their things. Say im community dey wella, nothing happen.
I don't know where they got the news they have been carrying. Then they called me, I went to your office. I was told that they burn everything in the community, they kill some people, they rape some people. I'm surprised to hear that a community when me be your way. This is what I'm saying. I didn't see any house they burn. I don't see it with my naked eye though. If I see it, I'm not afraid for anybody. I go say they burn, but I'm not seeing it.
From Benin, Osarugwe Monday, 14MC News.